In this video, I'll show you the different transaction types in the KRISP POS. When you add items to your cart, it's tagged as a sale by default. Adding a customer isn't required if you're doing a sale, but one must be added to the cart for the other transaction types. For this example, we're going to do a deposit, so let's add a customer here. On the checkout screen, you can change the transaction type from sale. You can choose deposit, which allows your customer to reserve items by setting up an installment type payment. Layby allows your customer to pay for items in at least 2 installments. This is also sometimes called layaway. On account, if they are set up as an on-account customer with available credit. Pre-order, if they're doing a full payment for an item that is still not in store. Quote, if you want to give your customers a quote or an agreed price for the items. And reserved, if you want to reserve items for a customer without payment. Since we're doing a deposit to retrieve for later, let's say the customer made a partial payment of $10. And then click Done. Now let's say the customer came back on another day to make their second payment. What you want to do is retrieve the transaction. You can search for it by using the customer's name and finding the transaction from the list. And then just click Proceed to Pay to go to Checkout and then process his payments. Those are the transaction types that you can do in the KRISP POS. That's it for this video. Feel free to visit our website for more information.